Hello and welcome to another episode. Another technical service bulletin, in other words, a TSB has come out in North America in August. This one is for the mood lighting or the ambient lighting. And a few weeks ago someone asked me if I knew anything about disappearing ambient lights from the menu, and I didn't. So I came across this the other day, and I dug deeper. And I found there was a TSB for it, and I also found that the lights can disappear, and if you disconnect a 12-volt battery they will reappear. Basically I think the controller for the ambient lights is going offline and a power cycle is bringing it back. The TSB has got a date range on it, and it's both for Niros and for EV6s. So it says procedure to upgrade the software logic for the interior mood lamp or ambient light. On some 23 MY23s, Niro EVs, FEVs, HEVs, the SG2 model, which is the revised Niro. It's the one I had for a few months. Produced from April 14, 23 through to May 15, 23, and on the MY23 EV6 between April 18, 23 and May 13th. So it's vehicles in that date range at the moment. Without this update, I think you get the symptom of the ambient lights disappearing. So I've heard of people getting this in the UK, so I think it's out here on affected vehicles. So it's worth checking with your dealer. So I'll update my recall spreadsheets, and I'll put links to this technical service bulletin, and hopefully you can get it sorted. Thanks for watching.